In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and share projects link in ClickUp. So if you just want to find a link for a specific project and then share it with your friends, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here a space, and if I click under it, you can see I have quite a number of projects under it. I'd like to go ahead and find and share the project link for this project one. To do that, head over to list setting here and then click on it. And for a shortcut, you can just see we have copy link here. If you copy this link and then paste it anywhere, now anyone who has this link can be able to access your project and all the tasks that are under that project. However, should you want to share this as a private link, you can also still click on the same and then come down here under sharing and permissions. If you click on this, now you can see we have an option to share private link. To share a link as private, you can go ahead and click on this and it will be copied. So that's how you can share links of your project in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.